I'm going to walk you through the course, get you familiarized with the layout, um, and hopefully you'll enjoy the course. So here is the course link. So let's go into the course. All right, so this is a conceptual physics course. The course number is PHY1020. And what we'll be using is from your textbook, the textbook that we are using, we will cover 7 chapters in that book. Most of what you'll be using is the 3 links you'll be using is contents, quizzes, and you can check your grades there. Okay, so let's go to contents. Here's a brief syllabus, but I'll show you where you can find a more detailed syllabus. So go to contents. Under general documents, you can find the syllabus. Okay, so let me go over the syllabus. And here's the syllabus. You can download it. Okay, so again, the course is PHY 1020. The title is Conceptual Physics. You guys can read this syllabus on your own, but I'll go over the main points. Here's the textbook that we use for the course. You don't need the textbook, but if you choose to buy it, you can get away with in this course without the textbook. But if you choose to buy it, here's an Amazon link, so you can buy a paperback copy for $80. But here's the textbook. All right, from this book we'll cover 7 chapters. Okay. Now what I've done is we'll come to this assessment portion of the course in a second. So let's go back to the course website. So here is the course website. Under chapter notes, so there we go. So here are the 7 chapters we'll cover from the book. And I have made PowerPoint slides for these chapters. So let's click on work and energy. And here's PDF documents of the slides that I've made. So each chapter you'll take an exam, and all the exam questions come from the slides. So all the answers for the exam questions will be in the slides. You just have to read the slides carefully. Okay. So in fact, if you just read the slides, review them, and exams are open book and open notes, so you should be able to succeed in this course. Okay. So let's go back to contents. So you saw that you have chapter notes, and what I've also done is I've recorded lectures on those slides, based on those slides. These lectures are recordings from my face-to-face class, and also I've done recordings at home. So, but these recordings are posted on my YouTube channel, and here are the links to these recordings. So let me show you my YouTube channel. Here's my YouTube channel, and let's close this window. So here are the conceptual physics recordings, and let me show you the playlist. So here's recordings for chapter 1, introduction, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. And I have linked those recordings. So for instance, let's look at the chapter 4 playlist. Okay, so here's a recording for chapter 4 lecture from my fall class, my fall face-to-face class. In fact, I teach 2 sections, so there's a recording from the first section, there's a recording from the second section. Here's a recording from the summer. So anyway, I put the latest at the top, so you have recordings of these lectures. So let's go to, for instance, again, let's conceptual physics. Let's look at the playlist for chapter 7. So here's the playlists for chapter 7. Again, chapter 7 is a long chapter, and I've broken up the lecture into 4 parts. These recordings are from the summer. I haven't gotten to them in my fall face-to-face class yet, but soon as I get there, I'll post recordings there. So the latest recordings will be at the top. Okay. All right. So coming back to the course. Okay. So we will cover 7 chapters from the book. Here are PDF notes. I You want to review those notes closely. All exam questions are answers to all exam questions are in there, and here's lecture recordings. Okay, so if you click on these guys, it'll take you. So let's click on this, and it'll take you to that list. So here's a recording from the summer for chapter 6. Okay, so the lecture is an hour and a half long, but anyway, so there's the recording. Okay, all right, so coming back to the course again. So and okay, so let's go back to the syllabus. So here's what we'll do. Your performance on chapter exams and chapter emails will determine your grade. So like I said, each chapter you'll be taking a 25 to 50 question exam. Chapter summary slides in the content area are an excellent review and contain answers to every questions in the exams and quizzes. Okay. Exams and quizzes are open book, open notes. Okay. Each week, you will write me a 4 to 5 line explaining a concept you learned from the week. Okay, so these are chapter emails. So each week you'll send me an email, and the concept you need to describe in your own words. You can't copy and paste. And each email is worth 10 points, and I'll give you feedback on that. Okay, so here's how grading will work. Okay, on the exams, each question is worth 2 points. Okay, so the chapter 1 exam has 25 questions, 50 points. Chapter 2, which is a short chapter, has 15 questions. Chapter 3 has 30 questions. 4 has 50, 5 has 50 questions. Chapter 6 exam has 60 questions. And chapter 7 is a long chapter, so I've broken that into two parts. The first part has 50 questions or 100 points, and the second part has 25 questions. Okay, so if you add all those up, the 8 exams that you'll take will give you, they're worth 610 points, and then the 7 chapter emails are worth, each email is worth 10 points, so you earn 70 points from there. So you can potentially earn 680 points. Okay. NA is, of course, this is the standard grading scale. NA is 90% and above, and so on. All right, so that's how the course is going to work. Okay, that's the layout, and I'll let you guys can read the syllabus at your leisure. Okay, so here now let's go to the quizzes. So here, if you click on the quizzes, okay, so here's the chapter 1 exam, and it's open October 21st to October 27th. Okay, so each exam is open for a week, and then exam 2 is open the following week, and so on. Okay, now I might anyway, so exam 2 is open the following week, exam 3 the following week. 6 and 7, I have given you a 2-week window, a little more than a 2-week window, because 2-week window for those 3 exams. They're long chapters, and so you have a longer period of time. All right, so the layout is pretty simple. I hope you learn a lot and you enjoy the course. Okay, and I will post that recording over here, the welcome recording over here. In addition, you can earn about 25 points extra credit. So we in the science department organize a seminar series, and you could attend these talks. Most of the speakers are from the University of Florida, and the talks are aimed at a general audience, so they should be interesting. If you go to the talks, so these are the 5 talks you could attend: October 31st, November 7th, and so on. If you go to a talk, you get 5 points extra credit, and there will be a sign-in sheet, and so you can earn some extra credits here. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, send me an email. And I look forward to hearing from you guys weekly on your weekly email. I respond to every one of them. Okay, so again, welcome, and hope you enjoy the course.